This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in the desirable gated community of Marbella at Davenport. Upon entering the home, you will be greeted with a charming front porch. The open concept floor plan features a spacious living room with glass sliding doors allowing access to the backyard. The well-equipped kitchen features 42 inches upper cabinetry with crown molding trim, closet pantry, stainless steel appliance package and a breakfast nook. A large center island adorned with granite countertops provides additional seating space. The master bedroom suite feature wall-to-wall carpeting and a generously sized walk-in closet. The master bathroom is appointed with a Comfort Height Vanity, dual sinks, water closet, tile shower with glass enclosure and luxurious garden tub embellished with Listello Tile. Other amenities include a laundry room with washer and dryer, double pane windows, 15 Sheer Lennox HVAC system with heat pump, alarm system, carriage lighting, exterior stone facade, irrigation system, paved driveway and walkway, and a 2-car garage with door opener. This picturesque family-friendly community features sidewalks that are ideal for strolling. Other amenities include a playground and tennis courts. Great convenient location, within minutes from I-4 and Orlando attractions. Monthly HOA fees include lawn service, internet and cable TV with Spectrum along with community amenities. For more information,